Hello everyone. So in this recording we are going to cover the freeze pane feature. Now what happens is, say suppose you are having a lot of records present in your Excel file. Now as soon as you scroll down you lose which column it belongs to. So if you look at the first row, it is having the title of all the data, like which kind of a data is available in this specific column, and the moment you scroll down, that column or that specific row is gone. Now what you want is, as soon as you scroll down, you still want to see what is the header column. So in order to do that, what you do is, in the spreadsheet in Excel, you go to view, and here you see freeze pane feature, and here you click on freeze top row. When you click on it, what is it is going to do is, it is going to freeze the first specific row. Now let me just unfreeze this one and go back to the first cell, and I've kept my control in A1, and now I'm going to see freeze top row. As soon as I click on it and then I scroll down, it is going to freeze my top row. Similarly, you can say suppose you want to keep the first column as a freeze one. So what you do is, let me just unfreeze everything right now, and I click my cursor on A1 again, and I say freeze first column. So as soon as I do a first column freeze and I do a horizontal scroll, it is going to keep my first column as it is. Now in case you want to do a combination of both, like you want to freeze the top row and first column as well, then what you can do is, you keep your cursor, suppose on B2. When you keep it on B2, what is going to do is, it is going to freeze your top row and first column. If you keep it on C2, it is going to freeze your top row and first two columns. Now let's see, if I keep it on C2 and do freeze panes, the first option, what it does is, it keeps my first row as freeze one. It is not going to scroll, and if I scroll to the horizontal, it is going to keep my first two columns as it is. Now let me just unfreeze this one and keep this at, say suppose D4. If I keep it at D4 and do a freeze pane, then my first three rows are static, freeze one, and my first three columns are also static one. So this is how you use freeze pane feature. Thank you.